下我种的蒜苗，现在是一个人的火锅，今天有接着吃这个。
对
，thanks 。Tequila sunrise 来。
Can you do me a favor and hold this for a minute?
Wow, looking good. This is my favorite 我的排骨，我先用那个汤先煮了一下，所以有点什么什么。像我种的蒜苗，蒜苗还可以哈，够他们炒等回锅肉还是可以。哇，这个蒜苗还挺香的，闻起来不错。这是我第一次种蒜苗。现在是一个人的火锅，我今天又接着吃这个汤底买错了，买成那个清汤的呢，不也小肥羊的清，闻起来还挺香的。这个和牛肉。
对
，thanks 。慢点哈，开车。弄了这个，主要今天肉买了一号。
想吃下次再给你买。
好，开车慢点哈，弄了发个短信。See ya。一个人的火锅，今天我一个人吃，都没有人吃。
清汤也挺好吃的，其实。Tequila sunrise 来，啊
Yep.
，Yeah, Happy Saturday. Hi, Munchie.
Can you do me a favor and hold this for a minute?
Hold this one.
Yeah, just like this.
Careful your finger. Okay. Wow. 牛排，今天是周末，这个节日周末。所以烤牛排。
Holiday weekend.
Memorial Day. Hummingbird 又来了，天气真好。哦，是 camera shy.
Camera shy. She's
Yeah.
going, I'm not waiting on you forever. Take a picture, goddammit.
Very busy. Oh wow! What's that noise? Hello, guys.
Comes up and peeking over.
Oh, oh.
That's weird.
She's drinking
It's
it.
just coming up.
Yeah, I know.
Drinking in between.
Yeah. Wow, looking good. Wow, beautiful. Wow, perfect. Very good. Thanks. How's that? The meat is really good. Perfect.
Yeah, mine's a little overdone, but it tastes good though.
Yeah, it tastes very good.
It's a little faster than I thought.
This is my favorite. This is ice cream, right? Yeah, ice cream. It's it. 真的是很好吃，管它，反正今天过节，放纵一下。 排骨我先用那个汤先煮了一下，煮了1个半小时，小火，然后把它捞出来以后呢，再用这个 log 给它腌一下，腌了一下在冰箱里面。现在开始用这个空气炸锅来做。哇，看一下这个排骨，哇塞 ，looking pretty good 啊。
Yeah, it looks really good.
Wow, very tender.
Endowment for the Humanities, exploring the human endeavor. The Arthur Vining Davis Foundation, Spring Wang, and California Humanities. This program is made possible.
More people are beginning to hit the road, so to speak. Look at this backup. I'm going to show you at the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza. There is a backup there, which is unusual.
Show baby.
It's not major, but nevertheless there is a
Hello.
this morning. Also,
Busy now.
San Mateo Bridge. That looks like the one coming up the next.
What are you doing? Happy? Happy girl? 今天好热啊！我们在后院吃晚餐，太热了。老公做的这个 meatloaf。
Stuff in the air is a lot less. That makes sense.
So tomorrow will be cooler, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good, good, good. This one you like too, Shil? Huh? Dessert. 脖子是红的。What's this called? Ruby?
Ruby throated.
Ruby是。有小鸟叫，舒服。狗叫，听到我们秀秀叫没有？秀秀是只要邻居家有狗叫，它绝对要叫，绝对不会错过。啊，这个微风好舒服呀！